Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to search for auto repair options on the Yelp application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that you should tap on this search button down below and click on auto repair below the search bar, and after that you should enter your location into this bar down below, and then you should select your location and you will be able to find the auto repair options. Here you can see them. Click on the relevant one that you are interested in. You can check out the attached pictures. You can see the portfolio, highlights from the business, the services, the directions, and the contact information, so you can ring them up if you have any questions. So basically that's it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.